Hello everyone. Today we are discussing about the key feature of Carl Jung theory. Collective unconscious. According to Jung, the collective unconscious is a reservoir of shared, universal experiences and symbols that all human beings inherit. It contains innate psychic structures called archetypes, which shape our thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. These archetypes are the fundamental patterns that underlie human experiences and are expressed through myths, religious symbols, and cultural expressions. Some of the archetypes identified by Jung include a persona, shadow, anima/animus, and self. Archetypes are universal, cross-cultural patterns of behavior, symbols, and images that arise from the collective unconscious. They are common to all human beings and play a significant role in shaping our personalities and influencing our experiences. For example, the persona archetype represents the social mask we wear to adapt and present ourselves to others, while the shadow archetype represents the hidden, repressed, or less desirable aspects of ourselves. Other archetypes include the wise old man, the hero, the mother, and the trickster. Individuation is the lifelong process of integrating conscious and unconscious elements of the psyche to achieve wholeness and self-realization. It involves exploring and reconciling the various archetypes within oneself and developing a balanced personality. Individuation requires self-reflection, self-acceptance, and the willingness to confront and integrate the shadow aspects of one's personality. It is a journey towards realizing one's unique potential and becoming an authentic individual. Complexes are emotional and energetic patterns within the psyche that influence thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. They are formed through personal experiences, especially those that are emotionally charged or traumatic. Complexes often revolve around a particular theme, person, or situation and can exert a strong influence over an individual's behavior, often outside of conscious awareness. Jung believed that working with and integrating complexes is crucial for personal growth and psychological well-being. Psychological types. Jung proposed that individuals have distinct personality preferences that shape their ways of perceiving the world and interacting with it. He identified two primary attitude orientations, extroversion and introversion. Extroverts are oriented towards the external world, focusing on people and events outside themselves, while introverts are more focused on their internal thoughts, feelings, and experiences. Jung also identified four basic functions: thinking, feeling, sensation, and intuition. These functions represent different ways of processing information and making decisions. And individuals may have preferences for certain functions over others, resulting in different psychological types. Dreams and active imagination. Jung emphasized the importance of dreams as a window into the unconscious. He believed that dreams contain symbolic messages and images that reflect deeper psychological truths. Jung developed a method of dream analysis that involves exploring the personal and collective symbolism within dreams to gain insights into the unconscious mind. Additionally, Jung introduced the technique of active imagination, which involves actively engaging with and dialoguing with the contents of the unconscious through creative and symbolic expression. Synchronicity. Synchronicity is the concept that meaningful coincidences or events occur in acausal, nonlinear ways. It suggests that certain events or experiences may be connected by meaningful patterns or shared meanings, even if there is no clear cause and effect relationship. Jung believed that synchronistic events reflect the interconnectedness of the psyche and the external world, pointing to a deeper, underlying order or intelligence beyond rational explanation. These are the foundational aspects of Carl Jung's theories in psychoanalysis. His work expanded the field of psychology by introducing concepts such as the collective unconscious.